recording. Here's the birthday girl trying out her new tool. Got a rogue hoe. These are made for firefighting, but they are great for breaking up soil too. You go over ground that's been tilled, or if you have a small spot you don't want to till, this will do it. Let's have a close-up of that rogue hoe, Susan. Zoom in on that. Rogue
Caution,
hoe.
sharp.
It is. It's very sharp. It's curvy and it's got big teeth. A little bit easier to work with than a council tool. Yeah, look at it break up the ground.
I've got some cardboard.
Yeah, this will be many happy times. It's got enough weight to punch in and break up the ground. It'll be great for raking fire line too.
Looking good.
Oh boy, then we got she's got the little one. Grab that little one.
I will.
Please.
Good weeder.
Yeah, when
down
you're
low.
down your hands and knees weeding,
It'll be perfect.
that would be great.
Might even have to have it to get in the sweet potatoes.
Oh, you gotta be careful. She won't let me over there. She's got beets started over there.
Oh yeah, here there's a beet.
Yeah,
There's a few
beets.
through there. Not an extremely great.
Oh boy, look at that baby go. Let me zoom in on that. So that's the rogue hoe. What's the name of it? Rogue hoe mini or something?
I don't think it says mini on this. It just says rogue.
Oh no, it's on the handle.
Oh. Rogue 5-inch hand rake.
Hand rake.
12-inch ash handle. Which you won't see again.
Yeah, ash handles are going to disappear.
You know that
And even
much.
on that little tool there, they have the grain oriented correctly. You got
Up and
the
down.
growth rings running top to bottom or front to back. And it's straight down the handle. They use good wood. Anyway, so that's Susan's happy birthday present. Catch you all later. Thank you very much for visiting.